What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad. And we got a little problem. Charger's down. Doesn't want to start. Let's check it out. So you see, the key in. Right, nothing. What's going on? So I just got back from Disneyland. I haven't started the charger in like 4 or 5 days. I got back yesterday and I tried starting the car and it didn't want to start, right? You know, I was too tired. We just had got back, didn't want to deal with it. And today, same thing, try to start it, nothing. So most likely the battery got drained. That's what I'm thinking. Unless, you know, the alternator's bad, but it shouldn't be because I changed it out last year. Or it could be the starter. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use my wife's Jeep and we're gonna try to jumpstart it. And hopefully that works. If that works, I'll drive over down to my nearest O'Reilly store. And I think I may still have a warranty on my battery. And then we'll change the battery out and hopefully it's good from there. So let's go ahead, let's get started. All right, I'll pop my hood open. I'm gonna back up the Jeep a little bit more because I want a little bit more distance. And then I'll try to jump it. I'll walk you guys through it. All right, so I got both cars staged and ready to go. Okay, so I just want to explain to you guys. So the batteries in both of these cars are actually in the back, okay? So with the charger, your positive terminal is gonna be right here, and then your negative one's gonna be right here, okay? And then for the Jeep, positive's right here. Just take this cap off, and then your negative is right here. Even says here, okay? So when you're doing a jump start, you plug in the positives first, then the negatives, then we'll run the Jeep for a few minutes and then try to start the charger. All right, let's go. All right, got the cables plugged in. Let's go ahead and start the Jeep. All right, so it's been a couple of minutes now. So let's see if the charger wants to start up at all. Find out right now. I don't see any signs that it's gonna start up. Nope. Shit! All right, we did something wrong here. We'll figure it out right now. All right, redoing the process again because I forgot to take this little, rubber cover off the negative terminal on the Jeep. Didn't even notice it.
You dumbass!
Let it run for a couple minutes again. And hopefully this time we'll get some power because we had nothing the first time. And I'm assuming it's because it's a rubber cover. And we all know rubber stops electricity, right? Let's see if we got any signs of power. All right, I'm already noticing signs of power. So hopefully it starts at least giving me a few cranks. Let's find out. All right, feeling the power. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, all right, we're getting there. We just got to give it some more time. Let it run a couple minutes more, a few more revs, and hopefully the battery charges up a little bit more. While you guys are waiting over here, you should hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Alrighty? All right, try number 3. Come on, let's go. Let me sit down. There it is. 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 Good to go. Good to go. We're good to go. Oh yeah. Alright, so I moved it outside, and I just want to let you guys know, if you push this music button and the compass button at the same time, simultaneously for like 10 seconds, you'll get a whole another set of menu options on your dash. Let me go ahead and show you. Can't hold the camera and show you, so I'll just push it and then I'll play again. Alright, so you see this menu, right? So now you can mess around and go through it, see? Alright, so there's my voltage actually showing 14.2, which is really good. So my I'm gonna take it to O'Reilly's and have them test it out. So I'm gonna go over there, take it out, and then just have them test it out and see. I'm sure when something's happening when I turn it off, it's just losing power. Unless I left like my underglow or headlights on without even knowing, could be a possibility. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and see if it turns back on or not. But first I'm gonna park it forward. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. I parked it forward just in case if it dies again, I'll just re-jump it. But I'm gonna leave it off for a little while, so I'll go ahead and turn it off and just see if it wants to restart or not. Usually when you turn a car off, like it'll stay at like 12. The voltage should stay like at 12. So you can see it's staying at that 12 mark. Let's flip through the, oops. I like this menu right here. It'll tell me to the battery voltage, and it's my favorite menu because it has the engine temperature, the speed, RPM, and the mileage. So 12.112. It's staying there. So for whatever reason, my battery was slowly draining when I was gone. I don't know why. Maybe I left something on without even knowing. Who knows? Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the car unlocked outside for like an hour or so and see where the battery holds. Because if the battery, I'll probably still take it later to O'Reilly's and have them test the battery out. Because something either drained my battery or it's just the battery's dying. So I've had the battery for over 2 years now. And out here in AZ, the average lifespan of a battery is like 2 years. You get 3, you're lucky. I do have a 3-year warranty on the battery. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if it's been 2 or 3 years, to be honest, since I got it. All right, so let's check the battery real quick before we leave. I'm gonna go get a new battery. So you can see 11.4, that's too low. From what I've researched, it has to be over 12, it has to be over 12 when it's just sitting here, right? And you can see it's all the way down to 11.4 now, which means the battery, it's most likely no good anymore. So I'm gonna go get a new battery, and when I swap them out, it should be like, 12.2 or up when the car is off. Let's go ahead and start her up. You see that? Car hesitated to start right there. So we're gonna go get a new battery. Let's go. Had to do a couple pulls for you guys. Second gear's a miss. Been a while since I drove her, so I missed it. I missed this. Alright, let's get on going into the battery. So I actually came back home because I forgot there was a bolt on the bottom of the battery that holds it in place, and I didn't bring the right wrench for it. But look at this. So maybe the battery just needed a recharge because it's holding at 12.2, 12.3 where it should be at. So maybe just running it, you know what I mean, right now, giving a couple pulls, maybe recharges the battery, and maybe we got some more life in it. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. I'll see what the battery's looking like, and then we'll go from there. If it's still like this tomorrow, then I'm not gonna change the battery. It means it don't. All right, so I got the battery out. Here it is. I'm gonna see if I still have the warranty O'Reilly's, but this is the kind of battery I had bought. Superstar Platinum. I don't know how much these go for. I remember I paid probably like $250 for it, would be my guess. Let's go see if they honor my warranty. I don't even have a receipt, but usually they have my account on their computer, so hopefully that's good enough. So you can see right here, I'm in the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is an altitude trim. So this is a family car right here. This is more of the daily driver. It's my wife's car, but you know, she lets me drive it in there every now and then, like right now. Got the battery right there. These V6s, they got good power. You know what I mean? Like I told you, I've done a review on this car a long time ago. If you want to watch it, I'll put the link in the description if you want to see a full review video on this Jeep. But yeah, these V6s, they have good power, guys. Even the, like I said, I drove a V6 Charger, reviewed it, had it as a rental car, and I loved it. So no disrespect to any V6 owners out there. They're great cars, they're great on gas. I hadn't had any issues with this car. We had it for like 3-4 years already. So it's got 54.8 on it, 54,800 miles. It's doing well. All right, let's see if they honor this warranty on this dang battery. So yeah, I checked the battery voltage on the Charger this morning. It was like 11.4, 11.5. Slowly, it was, it was just draining. So I decided to go get a new battery. So check this out, YouTube. They honored my warranty. Didn't have my receipt, but like I said, my phone number was in their system. You can see it said 0. Here's my new battery, completely free. For free! That's why it is worth getting the warranties on these batteries, even if they're a little pricier, because guess what? I saved myself $250. The associate in the store told me that that the battery should be holding a charge of over 12 volts when the car is off, and it wasn't. She tested it. It was at 11.6 or 7, and she gave me a brand new battery for free. Big W, big W. Hey, so these Jeeps, they have a sport mode on them, right? My wife never used it, so I'm gonna use it. You can see sport mode. It just revs real high and it feels a little jumpier. It's pretty awesome. Hopefully my wife doesn't watch this video. If you do, I'm sorry, babe. I'll give you a free tank of gas. All right, got the new battery. Couldn't put it in. So see this plate right here? That plate was down that was what was holding the battery secure. So that's why I had to come back home yesterday. So I couldn't get this. I didn't have the right wrench for it. So just make sure when you're plugging the new battery, you plug in the vent tube on the side here. There's a little hole for it right here. Just put it in, and they're gonna do negative, then positive. Just make sure to take these caps off, and then you're good to go. Obviously the plate, you need to put that plate down there first. All right, so we're all secure now. I put the positive, then the negative. Vent tube's on, plate's back on, so it's secure. Let's go ahead and start the car, see what the voltages read. Let's see if it lets me auto start it. let's pull up the secret menu real quick. Push these two buttons at the same time. Alright, let's see. 14.1, 14.2. So right where it should be at. Alright, so now I'm gonna turn it off and it should stay over 12. Alright. Wow, look at that. Look, 13. Look at that. Wow, look at that. 13. Definitely a new battery. Look at that. Way over that 11.45 I was seeing. Start it up again. Oh my goodness. Starts right up. It starts right up. Wow. Amazing. All right, we are going to go for a test drive in the Charger, make sure everything's good to go, but it should be. You guys hear that chop, right? That's a healthy cammed Hemi right there. All right, let's get going. Sounds good. Put these windows up. That's gonna be all for today, YouTube. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section. If you have any tips on anything I did today, if I did anything